Hello everyone, welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to make another project using the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. So the inspiration for this project has come from the annual catalogue. This is the layout that Stampin' Up have given to us, showing the versatility of the whole suite. And tucked in the corner here, I don't know whether you can see it, there's a copper tin and they've covered it. So although I'm not going to do it exactly the same, I thought I would have a go because I've got some of these copper tins. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the tin. Now this is a piece of the Designer Series paper that's cut at 3 inches, and I did it that way so that the lid wouldn't get stuck on it. Now what I want to do is I want it so that the join is on the side. Can you see there's the join of the tin? Now what I'm going to use is I'm going to use some tearing tape. And I'm going to put the tearing tape on this edge, like so. I know it's called tearing tape, but I just don't have the nails for it to tear nice and straight, and I like it nice and straight. So let's get that out of the way. Now here's our tin, there's the join. So I thought what I'll do is I'll put that on there like so. I don't want it to be right on the corner, and I'm deliberately keeping the lid on so I've got that as a guide. It obviously needs to be straight. So here we go. I'm going to pull this off of here. Oh dear. There we go. Right, so I'm going to put that on there, like so. Then I'm going to wind it round my tin. I'm going to put another piece of tearing tape at this end, and I've lost the end. Oh, there it is. Put another piece down here. I'm going to pull that as tight as I can get it. Tear this off, and before it sticks itself down, there we go. So there you go. So that's covered my tin. Right, yeah, good. Now I'm going to put another little strip across the top here. That was what I was thinking. I need to see if I can get this. No, that's too wide. I thought I'd cut another little strip. Maybe I didn't. No, we'll leave that for the moment. It's bound to turn up. If you want to put some around the top, it needs to be 3/8 of an inch. And I thought I'd cut a strip 3/8 of an inch. But it seems to have gone walkies at the minute, so we'll leave that for the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a circle, this, and I'm going to stamp No, I'm not. I'm going to put, I've cut out one of the little birds, and I'm going to put one of the birds on there. In fact, I cut out two of the birds, and I think I like this one better. And I'm going to stamp on here. Let's get this out of the way. I'm going to stamp. Okay. Thanks for being you. That's what this is going to say. And I'm going to stamp it in. This is Memento Black, and I shall put it sort of in the middle. Lovely, good. Now that's going to go on there. Like so, and then my bird is going to go on there, but I think it's a bit plain, so I'm going to put some leaves, I think, and I shall stamp them in grey granite, which is not quite so harsh as Memento Black. Going to colour those leaves in with a watercolour pencil, and this is Old Olive. Using a blender pen, just going to pull that colour into the leaf, just to add a little bit of interest to that sentiment. Good. Okay. So then that's going to go onto there. Now, do I want to put it on dimensionals, or do I put my bird on dimensionals? I think I'm going to put my bird on dimensionals. So I'm going to put this with using snow. I'm just going to put that on there like so, and it fits perfectly inside that circle. That's nice. Now, I think it's going to be a bit plain, so I'm thinking I might put a bit of, wrap some lace round my tin. Let's see how this goes. Now, shall I tie a bow? Let's have a go. Now, the last time I tried to tie a bow on a video, it did not go well. So, oh, I always tie it the wrong way around. Let's do it this way. like so. Want it so that it goes. Well, that's not too bad. Got a bit too much loop, I think, but that's not too bad at all. Let me get my scissors. What do I do with me sharp scissors? And I'll snip that there, and I'll snip that one there. Pretty. Then that's going to go on there. I'm going to pull this down a little bit because I don't want it to get caught up with the lid. And then I'm going to put that on with some dimensionals, and that will help keep the bow in place. Dimensionals, I'm going to use big ones. Oh no, those are the little ones. Oh, excuse me, I've got a bit of a cough. Just a bit more, I think. Okay. Lovely. I think that's quite nice. I'm quite pleased with that. Now I'm not going to fiddle with that bow, because if I fiddle with it, it'll go wrong. And it's sitting quite nicely at the moment. Okay, let me just tidy up these bits, because we've got our bird to put on, haven't we? Right, now, I was going to use this bird, but because I've put the what do you think? Oh no, I do like that one better. It's a better colour, I think. So I'm going to put that on with some dimensionals as well, I think. Oh, this might be fiddly. So I'm going to put one up there and one there. One by its beak, one on its body, and then I might have to put 2 or 3 here, and I'm just doing that so that it doesn't go all wonky and because don't forget I've got a dimensional underneath here, and now I'm putting one underneath here as well, so it's 2 dimensionals high, if you like. So let's put that like so. Good. Oh, I think I forgot to take the back off that dimensional. I did. Okay. There we go. Good. And that would make a lovely gift, wouldn't it? To give to somebody, because you can get quite a lot in this tin. In a minute I might make some little cards to go inside. So there's my project. We've covered our copper tin. I hope you like it. I will put the details of the supplies I used on a blog post, and I'll put a link below so that you can go in and have a look. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.